Hello 6th standard students. Today we are going to deal with grammar chapter 9, the adjectives, degrees of comparison. There are many types of adjectives are there. This is one of the category, that is degrees of comparison. What is meant by comparison? What is meant by comparison? Always you might have seen this example at your home. If you have your siblings, your mother and father, that is your parents, would have compared. See how your brother is studying. See his or her handwriting. Right? They compare you with your brother or sister. Might be elder or younger. Right? Okay? The same things. We are going to see the form of degrees of comparison. Come, let's see what is this degree of comparison in the adjectives. What is degree of comparison? Degree of comparison. Degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. If you take one stick, we are comparing with another stick. Now tell me, which is the longest one, which is the lengthiest one? Exactly, we compare. It is a thing or it might be of the person. So we compare with one thing and the another, right? So let's see the degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, please listen and observe very carefully, because it is really very important. Okay, we make minor silly mistakes in these degrees. Okay, first let's see about positive degree. What is positive degree? The positive degree refers to the basic quality of a person or thing. What is the basic? Basic means the base one, the lowest one. Okay, it is said to be the positive degree. It is the regular adjective form. You know what is adjective? Adjective means what? The word which qualifies the noun. Example: he is a good boy. So here good is the adjective, right? So good, it is the base form. So beneath good we cannot go. Yes or no? Okay, it is the base form. So whatever word comes, it comes above good, not below good. Yes or no? Okay, this we say as base form. Okay, it is the introductory form in the vocabulary. So first vocabulary, first form, second form, third form, we say, right? It is the first form. Okay, what is it? Let's see. We use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or one thing. We are not comparing. Listen carefully. We are not comparing. Only one thing is there. Only one stick is there. There is no other stick except this. So it will be having the base form of adjective. Example, let's see. LeBron James is tall. Only one person. James. LeBron James. The house is big. Only one house. Here it is talking about this flower is beautiful. Here only one flower is there and it is beautiful. Right? It is called positive degree. So remember that We are not comparing with any other thing. We have only one thing, only one person, and we are telling about that, describing about that. Whether he is tall or short, ugly or beautiful. Got it? Okay. Now, second, what is comparative degree? The comparative degree compares the quality of one person or thing with another. Now listen carefully. One thing with another, that is two. Okay? One person with another person. Now this is said to be compared. With one thing, if only one stick is there, I cannot compare, because there is no other stick along with this to compare. Okay, so it is said to be positive. Now if I have another one, another thing, now I can compare. So this is said to be comparative. Okay, now it uses er or more or rather with the meaning of adjective. With the adjective, we should add er or more plus the adjective. We will see the example. It will be very easy to understand. The comparative degree denotes the existence of a higher degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when two things or two sets of things are compared. Two sets of things are compared, and which is the highest one among the two, and in that it will be er will be added. That is in the adjective, the highest one adjective among the two, the highest one will be adding er or more. Let's see. This building is taller than any other building. This building is, that means this particular building is compared with another building. So it is, when compared to another building, it is taller. Apple is sweeter than pear. So here apple is compared with pear, and when it is compared with pear, apple is sweeter. Okay, so we are using er here. When it is compared, we are using along with the adjective er. So only if apple is said, we have to use only sweet. Let's see. What is superlative degree? Compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of quality. Now only not two, now more than two. So if it is three, among three, who is the best person? Among three things, which is the best? Right? It is said to be superlative. Slowest. In this, we have to add est, or we have to add most. For comparative, we'll be adding er or more. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. It is the highest degree of the quality. Example, Peter is the smartest boy in the class. So Peter, among all the boys in the class, he is the smartest one. est is there. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. The neighborhood, there are many girls are there, but Alice is the sweetest one. The blue whale is the largest of all the animals. When we compare all the animals with the whale, whale is the largest animal. Let's see. Positive, comparative, superlative. And please, students, take care of your spellings. Here you see fat in comparative, fatter, double T-E-R, that is T-T-E-R. Fattest, F-A-T-T-E-S-T. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest, and so on. See, in red, redder, reddest. In a comparing one red with another one, which is the more red? redder, and another one red is superlative degree. Next, regarding more and most. Faithful, more faithful, most faithful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. When you are comparing three beautiful things, which is the highest beautiful one, you will be using most. Below than that, you will be using more. Very below than that, you will be using beautiful, and so on. I hope you have understood very well, and please go through the chapter as well. Thank you.